Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best audio interfaces that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Audient EVO Mark II is a compact and affordable USB audio interface designed for home recording, mobile production, and live streaming. Offering professional-grade audio performance, it is an ideal solution for musicians, podcasters, and content creators seeking high-quality recordings in a portable form factor. One standout feature is the Class A console microphone preamp, which delivers studio-quality audio with ample gain and low noise, providing excellent clarity for vocals and instruments. The JFET instrument input is optimized for guitars and other instruments, ensuring a clean and natural sound when recording. The interface includes dual headphone outputs, allowing two users to monitor recordings simultaneously, perfect for collaborative projects. Its monitor mix and panning function offers precise control over the balance between input and output signals, helping users monitor their recordings with accuracy. High-speed USB-C connectivity ensures a fast, stable connection to your computer, while bus-powered operation eliminates the need for external power supplies, making it a great portable option. Additionally, the device is compatible with Mac, PC, and iOS devices, offering flexibility for different setups. The interface also features scroll control, enabling users to adjust their DAW parameters directly from the device, streamlining the workflow. The included Audient Arc software suite provides a variety of plugins and tools to enhance recordings. In summary, the Audient EVO Mark II stands out as a user-friendly, versatile interface offering excellent audio quality, making it an attractive option for home studios and mobile recording setups alike. The Focusrite Scarlett Solo 3rd Gen is a highly regarded tool tailored for recording vocals, instruments, and other audio sources, making it ideal for singer-songwriters, podcasters, and home studio enthusiasts. This compact and portable interface boasts professional features at an accessible price, appealing to both beginners and experienced musicians alike. With one XLR microphone input equipped with high headroom preamps and a switchable air mode, users can achieve bright and clear recordings. The device also includes a high headroom instrument input for guitars and basses, ensuring that all sounds are captured without distortion or clipping, thanks to the intuitive gain halos that guide input levels. The Scarlett Solo supports studio-quality recordings up to 24-bit 192 kHz, ensuring that every nuance is preserved during playback through its low-noise balanced outputs and dedicated headphone jack. Setting up is simplified with the Easy Start online tool, allowing users to quickly navigate recording or playback processes. Additionally, the Scarlett Solo comes bundled with a robust software package, including Ableton Live Lite and Pro Tools First, equipping users with essential tools for music production. This interface is bus-powered, enhancing portability for on-the-go recording, making it an ultimate choice for anyone seeking to create high-quality audio in a compact format. The M-Audio M-Track Duo is a versatile and budget-friendly USB audio interface designed for musicians, podcasters, and content creators. It provides a straightforward solution for recording high-quality audio directly to a computer, making it ideal for various applications like music production, podcasting, and streaming. With its dual inputs and flexible connectivity, the device caters to the needs of home studio enthusiasts and on-the-go creators. Key features of the M-Track Duo include two combo XLR and quarter-inch TRS inputs, allowing users to connect microphones, instruments, or line-level devices. Each input features M-Audio's crystal preamps, ensuring transparent and high-quality sound. The interface also supports phantom power, plus 48V, making it compatible with condenser microphones. With a maximum resolution of 16-bit 48 kHz, the device delivers clear and precise audio recordings, whether for vocals or instruments. One of the standout features of the M-Track Duo is its zero-latency monitoring, facilitated by a USB direct switch that allows users to monitor their input signals without delay. This is particularly useful for live performances and real-time recording. The interface is compact, portable, and USB-powered, making it easy to transport and set up anywhere. Bundled with a comprehensive software package, including Pro Tools First M Audio Edition, MPC Beats, and various plugins, the M-Track Duo is ready for immediate use. Overall, it is a feature-packed, cost-effective audio interface suitable for beginners and experienced users looking to enhance their recording experience. The Apogee Duet 3 is a premium compact USB audio interface designed to deliver high-quality recording and playback for musicians, podcasters, and content creators. Compatible with both macOS and Windows, this versatile interface is ideal for a wide range of audio applications. It features world-class AD and DA conversion, ensuring superior sound quality, and is equipped with 2 professional-grade preamps that offer up to 65 decibels of gain, as well as 48-volt phantom power for demanding microphones. This makes the Duet 3 perfect for recording vocals, instruments, and other audio sources with precision and clarity. The device has a 2x4 USB Type-C configuration, providing 2 1/4-inch instrument inputs, 2 mic inline inputs, 2 balanced 1/4-inch outputs, and an 1/8-inch stereo headphone output. It also includes dual USB Type-C ports for connection and optional external power. Its onboard DSP powers the Symphony ECS channel strip, allowing real-time low-latency recording with effects, so users can monitor their audio without delay. Additionally, the device's ultra-compact design and scratch-resistant cover glass make it extremely portable, and it comes with a padded travel case, making it an ideal choice for on-the-go recording. Fully bus-powered via USB, the Duet 3 eliminates the need for an external power supply while maintaining high-quality audio performance. It is optimized for popular DAWs like Logic Pro X, but also works seamlessly with other platforms, offering flexibility for various recording setups. The Behringer U-Phoria UM2 is a compact and budget-friendly option designed for home recording, podcasting, streaming, and more. Offering 48 kHz resolution, it delivers professional audio quality suitable for various applications. With a 2x2 USB configuration, the device allows users to record 2 inputs simultaneously, such as a microphone and an instrument. It features a studio-grade Xenix mic preamp that provides plus 48-volt phantom power, making it capable of handling condenser microphones for high-quality vocal recordings. This makes it a popular choice among solo musicians, podcasters, and content creators. Key features include a combo XLR and TRS input for microphones or line-level sources, and a 1/4-inch input for instruments like guitars or bass. The device also includes dual RCA stereo outputs for studio monitors and a 1/4-inch headphone output with level control. Its 16-bit 48 kHz resolution ensures clear high-fidelity recordings, while the direct monitoring feature, with a mixed control, allows for latency-free monitoring of input signals. Compatible with popular digital audio workstations like Avid Pro Tools, Ableton Live, and Steinberg Cubase, the device is easy to integrate into any recording setup. Despite its plastic build, it remains lightweight and highly portable, making it convenient for musicians on the go. Powered via USB, the Behringer U-Phoria UM2 eliminates the need for external power supplies, providing a reliable entry-level solution for high-quality audio capture at an affordable price.